Alright. I literally just got home from work, and this was sitting on my front porch. Let me angle the camera slightly. Or I think that's it, yeah. So anyways, before I get to the unboxing of this, I do want to mention that for the past couple weeks, I think, I have been getting some new track for my layout, as well as some spare rail joiners. So this Friday, hopefully, I will be updating the layout, and I will film myself doing that. So yeah, watch out for that whenever it gets uploaded. So yeah, I'm gonna put all this away and let's get to the unboxing. So this is sort of an engine that I had my eye on for a little while now, maybe not too long. I wasn't too interested in this locomotive until the more I thought about it, the more I wanted it, and I was like, yeah, I think I'll get it. All right. Let's see how good it is. Sorry for knocking the camera. It's pretty tough. Cut away from you, not towards you. Stupid me. You know what? Just to be safe. Alright, now. Alright, now. Let's get this out. Ooh. There we go. Alright. So it's wrapped in here. Love the eBay stickers. I kind of find them fascinating. I don't know why. Probably should peel this sticker off of a razor sharp blade, but oh well. That was easy. How well is it wrapped? Alright, and there it is. Now. So yeah, like I just said, I didn't have too much interest in this locomotive at first, but hey, you know, I thought it still looked pretty nice, so why not try one? And so here it is. If I can get it out, Pennsylvania Railroad GG1 electric locomotive. Ooh, this thing's got a bit of weight to it. Wow. Looks pretty nice. My first Rivarossi engine in 2 months, I must point out. Yeah, pantographs. Probably don't want to mess with the pantographs too much, just in case, but I heard they pick up. Oddly enough, I don't know if I believe that, but that's what I read in the description. I don't even know if it's true. I'm sure someone will correct me there. But yeah, it's a pretty nice engine. I like it. I really do like it. Okay, so it looks like only one truck is driven. And it's this one because of the traction tires on it. And this truck is just freewheeling. So yeah, that is a GG1. I love the case it came with. I don't think you get that case very often, do you? Huh. Looks like it had an original price tag. Let's see what it said. Ha! This thing used to rent for $300, and it looks like it's been marked down to 2 something at a different hobby shop. Good God. Rivarossi, what's wrong with you? Yeah, let's look at the instructions. I know no one's too keen on that, but hey, you know, whoop, something fell out. Some parts sheet. When you get to order parts back in the day, I don't think you can anymore. Sad to say, but yeah. So it looks like it's to how to oil the thing, pretty much. And we got a real train coming. Yeah, there's a Y6B Malay. Already have that. How to take the body off, all that junk, all that cheese. Alright. Let's see if I can fold this back up how I found it. There we go. Alright. Put that in here. If I can. There we go. Really love the case. Too bad it's solar and it's got a little crack, sorta, but ain't much of a big deal. It's an old case anyway. I think you're gonna expect something like that. Anyways, let's give this thing a run. Alright, the GG1 is just out of shot, just right here. I just took off the Pennsylvania coaches just in case, since I kind of don't want to run the engine with the coaches just yet. So that way you can get it running just a tad. It actually looks nice. It's kind of looking sort of a bit bigger than what I expected for some reason. Alright. Here we go. Let's see if this bad boy runs. Pretty much not a fan of Rivarossi that much anymore, but hopefully this engine will change my mind. Alright. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. It's actually running smooth, and it's a tad bit quieter. I think it might need a wheel clean, maybe. Wow. I'm already impressed. Yeah, I think it might need a wheel clean. Struggling a little bit. I wouldn't say struggling. I think it's stalling. Maybe the wheels are dirty. I don't know. Or the track's dirty. I don't know. I'll figure it out at some point. But yeah, it's running smoothly. Pretty smoothly. Right, it's been running for less than 5 minutes, I say, and it's actually running smoothly. It's gotten smoother now. Let's see if it'll... I can slow it down just a tad, maybe. Yeah, I think it's still a bit better. I think it still needs a little bit of work. Maybe not much, but hey, you know, it works. So I come back around one more time. Yeah, I know. I'll make it pull some coaches like you guys want it to. I will do that. Calm down. Right now, I'm not going to put the baggage car behind it because the baggage car has, well, not the baggage car, the United States Post Office Railway car has a knuckle coupler on it, and this GG1 has horn hooks. And I used that one for my Pennsylvania T1 that has a knuckle coupler, so you can see right there for the engine there. But yeah, let's back the GG1 up to it. It's pretty smooth, I must say. Maybe with some oil and some grease it'll run probably a bit smoother. Alright, now let's see if the GG1 can hold this. Yes, it can. Oh, no, it can. And there it goes. And here it comes with the Pennsylvania coaches. Pretty nice. Nice. I like it. I really do like it. Well, remember when I said the GG1 might need a little bit of service? Well, it could be somewhat true, but I think I was somewhat wrong, actually, or pretty much wrong in general. That is from the track. So it looks like the track just needs to clean. I think that's why it's stuttering a bit, maybe. I mean, I could be still right about the whole servicing thing that it might just need. But yeah, I'll clean this section for now, and we'll see if it runs smoothly. Well, it looks like I was right. It either needs a bit of a service, or the track needs cleaning. Either that, or it is not laying down flat enough like it should be. But yeah, that's pretty much nothing I can do about that, unless I get a table, then I can finally nail the track down. But yeah, that just about wraps up the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody. Yep, I was somewhat right. Might still need a bit of a service, but oh, as soon as I say that, it cuts out right then. Well, wow. Okay then. God. Well, looks like I was somewhat right. The track needs. Oh God. Now let's take 3.